Welcome back to Bakari Academy. Things you forgot in school. Your mood changes by Friday. Y equals mx plus b addition. Did you know that y equals mx plus b predicts your future? Now, before we get serious, yes, I know the funny way to remember it is your mood changes by Friday. Seriously, by Friday, most of us are definitely in a different mood. But let me show you what this equation actually does. It predicts patterns. Y is where you end up. M is how much something changes each week or over time. X is the actual time. And B is where you started. Now let's make it real. Let's say you have $100 saved. Every week you save another $25. That gives us the equation Y equals 25x plus 100. Now let's actually use it. If 4 weeks goes by, X becomes 4. You substitute that into the equation. 25 times 4 equals 100. Add the $100 you already had, and boom, now you have $200 saved. Let's do another one. What if 10 weeks pass? 25 times 10 is 250. Add your original 100, and now you've saved $350. That's the power of algebra. It lets you predict where you'll be before you ever get there. So now let's say we're not trying to figure out how much we'll have. We're trying to figure out when we'll have it, planning how long it's going to take me to save it. That means you're solving for X. So let's say you're trying to save $1,000. If you stay disciplined and don't randomly decide that you deserve a little treat every weekend and Target, Amazon, Walmart, Bath & Body Works, or Yankee Candle doesn't convince you is calling your name, if you solve for X, that means you'll have $1,000 in 36 weeks, roughly 9 months. Instead of substituting in for X, now you're going to solve for X, meaning I'm going to subtract $100 from 1,000, and then I'm going to divide by 25 because that's how much I'm saving every week. And then I'm going to do the division, and I end up with 36 weeks. Roughly 9 months. And this is why I love teaching Y. Most people were taught to memorize equations. At Bakari Academy, I want students to understand what those equations actually mean. Because once you understand the pattern, math stops feeling random and starts feeling useful. And if I'm honest, my future says the more I save, the better my mood changes by Friday or the future. Now tell me, what do you use algebra to plan for? And answer this question for me. If you saved $50 a week instead, how much would you have after 10 weeks? And of course, if you want more content like this, follow Bakari Academy, like, comment, and share away.